Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Mercedes C-Class bonnet. First, locate the primary release lever inside the car, typically on the driver's side near the footwell. This lever is often red for easy identification. Give this lever a firm pull towards you to disengage the first latch. You should hear a distinct click, and the bonnet will slightly pop up, indicating it's ready for the next step. Next, move to the front of your Mercedes C-Class. Gently lift the bonnet a few inches to access the secondary safety latch. This latch is usually a small lever or tab located under the front edge of the bonnet, often behind the grille or emblem. Its exact position can vary, but it's typically in the center or slightly off-center. Feel for it, then push it upwards, slide it, or pull it towards you to fully release the bonnet. Once the secondary latch is released, lift the bonnet completely open. Many modern C-Class models feature hydraulic struts that will hold the bonnet open automatically. However, if your model has a manual prop rod, locate it, usually clipped to the underside of the bonnet or within the engine bay. Unclip the rod and insert its end into the designated hole to securely hold the bonnet in the open position, preventing any accidental closure. To close the bonnet first, if you used a prop rod, carefully remove it and clip it back into its holder. Then, gently lower the bonnet until it is about 8 to 12 inches from fully closing. Do not press down forcefully. Allow the weight of the bonnet to engage the latches by letting it drop the rest of the way. You should hear 2 distinct clicks, confirming it's securely closed. For more great tips and deals, check the description below, including a link for some amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.